What you better eat? What you better eat? Huh? What you better eat, little man? Hey, oh my goodness, what is that? What's that, little man? What you about to eat? Huh? What you about to eat, little man? Huh? What is that? Huh? What is that? Oh my goodness, you gotta say too. Finish cheesesteaks. For everybody! For everybody! For everybody! Even that one right there. Woo-hoo.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy, okay. And we be putting.
Jump right into it. Got my green. Got my vegetables all prepped. So we're gonna do cheese steaks. So chicken breast, buffalo style shaven. We're gonna do also the beef shaved as well too. So I got my meat right here, got my vegetables, onion, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. Beautiful. The chicken wing sauce for the buffalo style. A little oil, provolone. So all right, let's go ahead and add some olive oil to our skillet we're gonna use. It's gonna be for the meat. All right. Go ahead and get our meat going, open it up. If I can open it up, I get a knife. Yeah, that'll work. That got opened up. Very easy recipe, very simple. I may not make all of this. I'm gonna do half and half though. Right? Bring this over here. Right? Let the oil get hot first. Very simple. Very, very simple. All right. Got meat with a clean hand. Take your meat. Get it started. Get it started. So I'm doing two, so I'm gonna do half of this and half of the other. All right, that's good. Take a little salt and pepper. Got it going here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is fast because this is really thin. I want to overcook it. I'll slow it down a little bit. Go ahead and add some veggies to it. Pepper. A little bell pepper. Red peppers. Get these guys up in here. Let it cook slow so your vegetables can get soft. All right, let that go. Garlic in here, just a little flavor for this meat. Okay. All down, steamed, chopped up vegetables are nice and soft. We're about ready to add our cheese. And when you season your meat, add salt and pepper. Make sure you taste it. I add a little garlic pepper. And then I'm really just steaming the meat. So I'm adding a little water to steam it. And I raise up the heat a little bit on it. So I can make sure it's good. And let that water steam up. And then I'm gonna add my cheese on top of it. My provolone cheese. But until then, let's go get the buns together. Got these soft white buns. Let me turn them over real quick. Some soft white hoagie rolls, basically. And I'm just gonna take them, add them to my air fryer. And take some spray butter. I'm gonna spray the top of them. And in they go until they get nice and toasty. All right. Add our cheese, add our provolone on top. And right over the top. There we go. That started, let it melt, continue to melt. And we're gonna mix it with the meat. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, just about there. Easy, quick recipe, very easy. Very, very easy. This is nice and cheesy. Okay. Look at that. And I normally use like Cheese Whiz and stuff like that, but I had this provolone, so I'm gonna use this provolone on it. Okay. Here, and get a nice toasted buns out. Sesame seed buns, right that is. Already perforated, already cut. No, some put mayo on it or whatever, but with a good Philly, you don't need nothing on it. Here we go. Quick video. Take the nice cheesy. And transfer it over to the bun. Okay. To the bun. Yeah, sure. Nice cheesy Philly. Nice cheesy Philly. Bam, look at that. Get all the vegetables, we gotta get everything in there. There we go. Here we go, guys. Philly cheese sandwiches at the Chris Nib for the easy. Only thing this had was some shredded beef, some vegetables, and some provolone cheese. What you better eat? Huh? What you better eat, little man? Hey, oh my goodness, what is that? What's that, little man? What you about to eat, huh? What you about to eat, little man, huh? What is that, huh? What is that? Oh my goodness, you gotta say too. Philly cheesesteaks for everybody. Even that one right there. Woo-hoo. Taste this joker. Yes, sir. Yeah.
There's some eggs.
Just so y'all know I ain't kidding. Woo!
That's real good.
Yes, sir. Look at this one right here. Go ahead and take a bite, grandson. That's what I'm talking about. Well, he wasn't playing either, guys. Look. Yes, sir. That's my babies right there. Nothing. Nothing. Really easy recipe. Meat, vegetables, a little heat, and some cheese. And make sure you toast the bread. Dima, put it on his house. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wow, these things are really good. Oh, the bread is peppered corn, soft white with sesame seeds. It worked perfectly in the air fryer. Put a little butter on top of it. I sprayed the butter on top of it, and it softened up really well. And it didn't get hard, so maybe just 30, maybe a minute in the air fryer. Okay, that's the last of it. Really good. I pray you like that video. I pray you guys are doing well. Thank you for rocking with your boys. So you guys know more videos to come. Cooking with my son and my grandson. Best thing ever. God is good. So you guys continue to build those relationships. Treasure those relationships because time is moving so fast. So until next time. Oh, by the way, if you're here, is watching the video, please like and subscribe. Join the family. We'd love to have you. God bless you. Peace.